4 contestants in a free-for-all. Who is going to the championships? This week on Sliced.
Well, I see that Jordan has started writing. Yep, okay, so they're off to the races. This is going to be super interesting.
All 4 contestants in the last 2 weeks, they are all coding at the same time. The points are still the same. This is Jordan. Jordan is one of our Python contestants. Obviously, he's loading stuff in through pandas. They do have 2 datasets. One is the dataset that has all the information that you need to train a model, and one is the holdout set with just Skyrim in it. And so, as Meg mentioned, volatility, or whether or not a particular feature, a particular game in a given month was more volatile in their gain of users, gain of people playing that game. As we can see, this is the first data visualization. I believe it is.
I think Tony may have. I mean, we were looking at something from Tony.
Oh yeah, you're right. Tony
this.
did do this first.
Yep.
That's right.
Yeah.
Tony did jump out first.
Yeah, I mean, he beat me to the prediction question of who's gonna create a data viz first. So
Pixel, based off my calculations, the odds tonight are really in favor of NS Champs, who won last week with 65 points. So he's going into this 65 points. The person on the losing end of last week was Pixel. So Pixel's entering tonight with 5 points, and Pixel needs 58 points. So he would need to outright win both the modeling and the majority of the data visualization points, or somehow make up some of those points with golden features. Here we are with Tony. Tony's already plotting line plots. Now this is exactly what I thought. Too predictable,
yeah.
Yes. NS Champs, the current leader, he is also in R, and he is
really
also plotted. There's a
yeah.
ton of data viz tonight.
Yeah. Wow.
Yeah.
Oh, the QQ plots. We haven't talked about our golden features yet for tonight, have we?
No, please.
We have not.
Let's hear them.
The first golden feature is we want to see a faceted plot. The second golden feature is we want to see some experimentation with color. So not just using default colors. Do they create any like custom colors? Show us the rainbow or whatever. And then lastly, we want to see it like an XY scatter plot.
You can see that there's a peak in. I think he's plotting, let's see, what is he plotting? Yeah, volatility, I'm guessing. Oh no, he's looking at average users. So Meg, do you have any explanation as to why there's a lot more users in June?
That would be when the Northern Hemisphere school year ends.
That's right.
Yeah, I think I've played a lot of video games in June. Yeah, so you also see sort of like the pandemic effect in this plot. So you can tell which year probably is 2020. Even if you kind of disregard the color, it's stands out just a little bit.
And Dude is working on more functional visualizations here. So. Yep. In this case, Jordan is looking for correlations between features. I'm guessing he's trying to figure out a way to put features together for his inevitable model. So remember, you get 30 points for the most accurate model tonight. As you increase your average user base, your volatility increases. And this sort of makes sense, right? Because the more popular your game, the higher the highs and the lower the lows month to month, right? Like a great example of this is Fall Guys. Fall Guys came out, it was like such a big game when it came out, and then not a lot of updates kind of killed Fall Guys a little. Then when they finally came out with some updates, people were sort of over Fall Guys. So you could be the Twitch meta at the time and then literally fall off the face of the earth into obscurity, and so you could have a really volatile game that way. I gotta say, actually Pixel did plot Skyrim in terms of gain. Now remember, in the holdout set they don't have volatility, but gain is what volatility is based off of. So you can see here, look at the gain in users in the first set of years, And then look at the gain of users about 2017 onward. It's the volatility gets really tiny here. So this is a great example of what we were just talking about. You know, when you have a game like Skyrim that's sort of stood the test of time. For many years, you had highs and lows for Skyrim until about 2017, where you still have peaks and troughs. You still have peaks and valleys here. But it's a lot more minimized because the game is, you know, the game came out in like 2007 or some shit, right?
Yeah.
NS Champs was doing some interesting stuff with volatility, just looking at volatility over time in general, what that might look like. If he, you know, puts this on some sort of correlation plot, or actually overlapping the volatility as a percent with gain as a percent, he might be able to see sort of very similar trends. They're a little noised because I go forward and backward with our rolling mean, so it shouldn't be perfect, which is exactly what I want. I feel like I truly am like the Iron Chef host.
Yeah.
The guy who's like, onion.
Wait, was that an onion?
It's just you don't have like, you don't have like a companion onion next to you at all times. So I see. So Tony has gone through somewhat of a Dante's Inferno type situation, starting at 82% accuracy, going down to 70, coming up to 81 and back to 83. So it looks like if he's going to be using his multinomial regression and not breaking it out into two separate models and doing two classifiers, he might be staying around that 80, low 80s for his accuracy. Oh god. Oh no. Oh no.
No, thesis, uh-oh.
He is finding out that his simple 25 percentile, 75 percentile arithmetic modeling is not true.
It's just wrong. Oh no.
Accuracy 0. Now, let me tell you why he is not doing this incorrectly, why I know. Because I trained a linear model, just a linear regression, and my accuracy for my linear regression was 2% accuracy. So it's very possible, if not likely, that if he is doing something similar to what my linear regression was doing, he is going to be getting no more than about 1 to 2% accuracy.
Ouch, ouch.
Yes.
Wait a minute, are we looking at another facet plot here right now?
I think... Oh, it is facet
graph.
Yes,
it is. Yeah, I think this is a facet plot.
So that's 10 points. This is for sure fascinating.
This locks it in, I think, for NS Champs, Kyle.
Yes. So no matter what,
he's got it.
NS Champs is moving on into the finals tonight. It's not over for everyone else. It's even though NS Champs is locked in, all three people still have a chance of moving on. Tony's already in meme mode.
Oh my god.
Tony is in meme mode. Data Dude has... Nothing's moving here. We're looking at his rock curves and his precision recall curves. He does have predictions in his folder, so
Alright.
Data Dude is ready to go. Pixel has done a little... Oh, wait! Oh, no, we already gave him... We gave him points already for different colors. So he is going into the judging round with 10 points to his name, just from golden features. NS Champs looks like he is also working... Oh wait, he even said, it looks like a crappy Joy Division cover, blah. That was his box plots.
Yeah.
So...
we just hit 11 o'clock.
Pencils down.
Yeah, time is up. So chat, go ahead and vote for who the contestant that was your favorite, and we'll get them 10 points added to their totals for the round.
A few moments later.
Our winner of the audience vote, as chat can already see, I believe is Tony. So congrats, Tony, for winning the audience vote. So that's 10 points. Let's go on to the golden features. What I have first here, NS Champs or Kyle. 5 points for XY scatter plot and 5 points for faceting. Tony also killed it with the XY scatter plot and a facet. 10 more points to Tony for finding 2 golden features. Data Dude we got you with one golden feature for XY scatter plot, and then finally Pixel, 2 golden features. You're the only contestant who found color, non-default or custom color. 5 points for that, and also 5 points for XY scatter. All right. Well, I have my spreadsheet in front of me. So at the top is NS Champs Kyle. I of my 15 points, I give Kyle. I give NS Champs 3 of my data viz points.
NS Champs, I have him as a 1 point.
I awarded Tony 5 points of my data viz.
I gave him 3 points.
I gave Data Dude 2 points.
I also gave Data Dude 2 points.
All right. I gave Pixel 5 data viz.
I gave Pixel 9 data viz points. All right, here's accuracy. Remember, the accuracy of this model was what you were trying to optimize for. There were 2 ways to approach this. You could have either done a regressor, -1 to 1, or if you broke out the binary nature, 1s and 0s, and then did a model for the -1 and did a model for the +1. NS Champs, we'll start with you. NS Champs, you had an accuracy score of 0.417, so 41.7% accuracy. Tony, your accuracy score, 0.514. 51.4% accuracy for Tony. Pixel, you have an accuracy of 0.504.
Oof.
1% off.
Wow.
Pixel,
So good.
50.4% accuracy. Data Dude, you have an accuracy of 0.903.
What?
90.3% accuracy. Data Dude
God.
gets 30 points for the modeling. And if this is correct, that sends NS Champs through with 79 points on the season and Data Dude through with 74 points on the season. Tony, 68 points, and Pixel, 29 points on the season, y'all. Congrats to all the contestants. And
Wow,
major congratulations to our finalists, NS Champs and Data Dude. Next week is our championship week. We have NS Champs versus Data Dude, Python versus R yet again. And it's going to be a wonderful way to wrap up this entire pilot season. And I'm excited to see what happens. Where's my outro screen? There it is. Have a good night.